It has been 6 months since Breonna Taylor was murdered in her apartment on March 13th, and nobody has been charged with her murder. Jonathan Mattingly, Officer Brett Hankins, and Officer Miles Cosgrove, one of them was fired, but not because of what happened to Breonna Taylor. And I don't understand what is taking the Attorney General so long to decide to charge those men with murder. He has had the time to get married. He has had the time to speak at a Republican convention for President Donald Trump. Breonna Taylor was in her apartment watching Netflix, and she was shot 8 times. She's only 26 years old. And it reminds me of the Botham Jean case, how that police officer went in his apartment and shot him. And it also reminds me of Tatiana Jefferson playing video games with her nephew, and she was murdered. When are they going to get justice? When are they going to get justice? What's his name? The Attorney General has had more than enough time to charge these men. He has had more than enough time. He needs to recuse himself and appoint a special prosecutor, because Daniel J. Cameron is not interested in seeing to Breonna Taylor having justice. Those three police officers should be indicted and charged with murder, because Breonna Taylor is an innocent victim and she did not deserve to die. Her name wasn't even on the search warrant. They presented false facts to a judge to obtain that search warrant. They tried to pretend like she was getting packages and had all types of money and drugs in her apartment. And when they searched her apartment, they didn't find any of that. So those 3 officers need to be indicted and charged with murder. And if Attorney General Daniel J. Cameron can't do it, he needs to appoint a special prosecutor to that case, because he ain't doing nothing but stalling. All right, Breonna Taylor, rest in eternal peace. And they have also tried to sully her name by trying to get her boyfriend to sign a plea deal that she was involved in his drug dealings, trying to justify what those police officers did. And I'm glad he has honor and integrity, and he said he was not going to sign nothing like that. So big thumbs up to him. All right, Breonna Taylor, rest in eternal peace, baby.